This chess set is one of my favorites for all ages. Hi, it's Raphael with Chess House. The Inspiration chess set is great for youth as well as any age playing at home, clubs, or in the park. This set offers a heavily weighted upgrade from your typical club chess set. So very heavy weights, stability, and a great feel in the hand as you play. It's got the extra queens, but my favorite thing about this set is the style and feel of these pieces as you play. It's great for fast chess, slow chess. If you want to play at home with your family or with friends, or you just want to study and analyze on your own, this chess set is a great option. The inspiration pieces here are shown with the Flex chess mat. It's the Flex Pad Inspiration Chess Combo. I would recommend it with a storage bag. You can get these bags in a wide variety of colors as well as the Flex mat. Here it is in a steel blue. Green's pretty common, but there are many different colors to choose from. Whether you need a chess set at home or to travel to class, club, or other places, this is one of my favorite recommendations, the Inspiration chess set.